I know you think you know how to make jollof rice, but if you're not using this method to make your base for jollof rice, you're really not getting all the benefits to making jollof rice or of making jollof rice. Like your jollof rice is really not hitting as it should hit or as it could hit. So in this video, that's what I am going to be showing you. Something really basic, something really quick and easy, but it's just going to elevate your jollof rice game. So we need some tomatoes, obviously. Basically, you need all the ingredients that you typically need to make jollof rice. Some tomatoes, onions, load and loads of onions, please. Let's not do the I don't like onion game here. Scotch bonnet, which is atarodo, you can use as much or as little as you want. We need some garlic, we need some ginger. You will notice that everything I am using here are really fresh ingredients, right? So we also need some fresh thyme. If you can get fresh curry, please get it and use it for this. Now all you want to get is a baking tray as big, that's just something that can accommodate the amount of peppers that you will be roasting. Then you're going to get your parchment paper or foil if you don't have parchment paper, or you can also just roast it on the tray like that. I just like to roast on my parchment paper because it's easy to clean when I'm ready to clean. Now all you want to do is obviously clean your tatashe and your peppers and tomatoes, and then remove the seeds and everything, then transfer to the baking tray. You'll notice that I'm not trying to like cut anything. Like everything is already cut to like a shape that works, or a size, sorry, that works. The idea for cutting is to reduce the cooking time because this thing can take long in the oven, and I did not want that to happen, so I had to cut like the tatashe into bits and pieces. I'm also going to do the same thing for the tomatoes. So all you want to do now is assemble all your fresh ingredients to the baking tray, scatter them to like even it out so that when you're roasting, everything cooks evenly. Also, you're going to be cooking, or you're going to be roasting, if your oven has the top heating function, the bottom heating function, better for you. So that means your cooking time is going to reduce drastically. So for the tomatoes, I'm cutting them open like this just because, again, I want to reduce the cooking time, but also with tomatoes, interesting things can be inside and I like to open them. So unless you're sure that your tomatoes are like really fresh, really good, all of that, and they are also like decently sized, you don't really have to do this step. But like I said, I'm trying to reduce the cooking time, and I also want to be sure that I am eating something clean and fresh. So that's why I'm cutting my tomatoes open. Now, once you do that, you're going to start spraying this with some oil. You can also just cut them in a bowl and then put the oil and mix together before transferring to your baking tray. But I'm just going to spray, or I'm spraying mine. You don't have to do this exact process here. So I'm just going to transfer this into my oven. This is what everything looks like. Really pretty, really fresh, really, yeah, just good looking. And we're just going to put this in the oven for about an hour, but around the 30 minutes mark, we are going to remove it, like turn it and just make sure that everything is going on as planned, nothing too serious. This is what I'm doing here. The goal here is, or the results you're looking for here, is to make at least 50% of your tomatoes charred in a way. So I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. That is how you know that, okay, you're really getting what you're looking for, because that flavor is what we're looking for, and the charness is what brings the flavor, if that makes sense. The roasting, that thing is what brings the flavor. So that's what about 50% or more of your paste should look like. That is also what affects the consistency, the velvety look that this paste has. The charness and the roasting is what brings it. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case this is the first time you're seeing a video on my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos every week teaching you how to make the easiest things ever. If that sounds like your thing, or if you found this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you're never going to lack good quality content, you guys. I can guarantee that. Back to our food. Now, once you're done roasting, you just want to transfer this to a blender. Please make sure your blender is really strong, because we're also not going to add a lot of water to this. I don't like to add water to this thing now, or a lot of water to it, just because I need that thickness. I love my jollof rice looking very rich, tasting very rich, and water obviously is going to reduce the consistency, so I don't want to do that. I just add enough water for it to blend, and that's it, nothing excess. So this exactly is what we have after we are done blending, and this is it. Now all you want to do for your jollof rice is heat up the oil, add your onion, add your tomato paste, and then add this before seasoning and adding to the rice. This thing is so good, you guys. I think that You have to try it for you to get what I mean by it is so good. And that's it, you guys. Take your jollof rice game to 100, like legit 100 with this recipe. Try it and come thank me. Send me videos, send me pictures, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.